Sir, wait. Please, take this. Help me get back to the village. Please take these. I haven't eaten in days. It's just up ahead. We'll get you warm.
I can't walk much further. There it is, just a little further now.
I can't believe it. It's beautiful.
Welcome home.
Wow, look at that. It's absolutely beautiful.
I can't believe it. It's perfect. Thank you so much. This place is beautiful.
We are so glad you enjoyed it. Look, Daddy, I'm flying.
Careful up there.
Welcome to the Treehouse. €50 a night. You can sign in the journal, and that's where you'll be staying.
It's beautiful.
I still can't believe this place is real. It's perfect, isn't it? I never want to leave.